In this tutorial, I'll guide you through adding a film grain effect to your footage in Premiere Pro. Start by heading over to the Effects panel. In the search bar, type Noise HLS Auto and apply the Noise HLS Auto effect to your footage. Now navigate to the Effects Controls panel. You'll find several settings for the noise effect. First, change the uniform setting to Grain. This will give your footage a more authentic film grain appearance. Next, adjust the lightness setting. You can set it anywhere between 10 to 20, depending on your preference. This controls the intensity of the grain effect. You can also tweak the hue and saturation settings to your liking, but increasing the lightness tends to have the most noticeable impact across the entire image. If you want the grain to animate, you can adjust the frequency setting. The default value is 24, which should work well for most cases. Once you've made your adjustments, you'll see the film grain effect applied to your footage, giving it a more cinematic look. Feel free to experiment with the settings to achieve the desired intensity of the grain effect. And that's how you add a film grain effect to your footage in Premiere Pro. Enjoy experimenting with this technique.